Okay, I was just about done and did not realize I reached my 15-minute limit on this Screencast-O-Matic. So I wanted to explain this to you. There are two different websites here for you to check out to practice. This one has three different levels. So if you were in Target and you've been exposed to adding integers before, work at level 3. Don't start at level 1. And this one really only has one level, but it is speed driven. So you want to try to get your answers as quick as possible and try to improve your time each time. So after you've practiced one of these two sites or both of them, you do not have to go to both. Then you're going to go to Edmodo and click on the forms for the formative assessment. I believe it's just 10 questions on added integers. And I put graded in here because you know how things have been graded in the past. This would just be an idea of how you guys are doing before we go on to subtracting integers. And I could not leave you without a song of my own. So this is for the rule. This is our adding integers song, sung to the tune of Row, Row, Row Your Boat. We always sing it in class over and over and over again, so I'm really going to be sad that we're not doing this together, but I'll sing it for you. Remember, row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. So in this case, larger, I put it in quotation marks because larger definitely means the number that has the most value, but in quotation marks, it means the number with the greater absolute value. So -8 and +5, the larger, quote unquote, number is going to be -8 because it's going to have the greater absolute value. So one more time before we go. Same signs add and keep, different signs subtract. Keep the sign of the larger number, then you'll be exact. I hope you had a good time with this lesson. I hope that everything really made sense to you. Remember, if you have any questions, send me a note in Edmodo or send me an email. I am always here to help. Have a great day. Goodbye.